Oh, hello there, Hallmark here. It's John back on the little 2-acre little farm we've got here. Sorry for the hiatus. Been working a lot of overtime and you know how that is. But today we got some new baby chickens. We're gonna start our chickens back up, and this year, instead of going with the normal coop, we went with a mobile style coop, and I'm gonna show you how I built it pretty much for free. Now, as for a lot of like, hey, I built it for free kind of things, we used recycled products. We took the old chicken coop and we used some of the tin from the roof, some of the wood boards. These little side sections here actually came off of our porch. We're kind of redoing our porch. We took the railings off, and anyway, we used some scrap wood and scrap pieces, old scrap screws, scrap handles. Everything on this sucker, even these weak little hinges here, are recycled. I had the extra chicken wire laying around, and as I go through the next week or so, I'm gonna add more chicken wire to this to make it more predator proof. We do have cats and dogs and other things out in the woods around here. But yeah, and then we just went, and I've got the little hooks here that I had recycled from a past project, and got those in there. Got some food hanging, some water hanging, and we just introduced, I think about 12 chicks in there. So anyway, this is kind of what you can do for almost free. Now, the cool thing about this coop is I wanted it to be mobile. The last chicken coop we had, it was stationary and it was hard to get in there and mess with stuff and fix. We had to clean it out 2 or 3 times a year, which was kind of a hassle and stinky, smelly, ugh. And also the coop got a lot of bad bugs around it and just nasty, muddy, gross, ugh. So to combat that, we're gonna kind of follow the Joel Salatin style of a mobile coop, and I'm gonna hook the lawnmower up to this and actually pull it, every few days, just whenever they, eat down the grass pretty good, scratch it up real nice, poop a little bit. How much ever long time that is, I'll hop on the mower, hook up to it, and pull it, and I'll show you how I do that right now. So here at the front of the coop, I've got a little eye bolt that I had extra that I've just attached, and I've got some metal pieces you can't see on the other side, but that are strengthening this up so it doesn't pull it right off. And I had this old chain here that I got off of a swing set that we had, and I just hooked that to the back of the mower and just gently and slowly scoot it forward inch by inch to a new 8-foot section of grass. They can, eat, poop, scratch, stimulate the grass a little bit, and then I'll move them on from there. So we'll just keep moving them all around the yard. Totally mobile, totally clean. You don't have to clean it out any. You'll just come right here, reach through here, refill your water and feeder, check on them real good. And if you ever do have to get into it, you can open this guy up and, get in there like that. Is this perfect? Well, no, it's not, but hey, it works and it's fun, and we have chickens now, so there you go. I don't know about you guys, I don't have just thousands of dollars to spend on farm stuff. Hey, the economy's kind of rough right now, life's kind of tight. Food prices going up, y'all know the drill. So I don't really have a lot of extra money just to throw at these $300 coops. So I just utilized what I had, made basically a box that I could pull around the yard and hung a feeder and water, put a little roof over it so it kind of blocks the rain a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, guys, don't think you have to go out there and spend a ton of money to have chickens. Just get some chickens and raise them and feed them and stuff, The feeder, the waterer, the big bag of chick starter, and 12 chicks, it was like $100. And that's all I've got in chickens this year. And, hey, hopefully that's all we'll need. I guess as they get bigger, we may have to think of something different. You know how it is. But for now, it's great. And I think they'll have a great time. They'll have a good life. And hopefully here in 6 or 7 months, hopefully we'll get a good supply of eggs. And that'll be good there. So there you go. Hey guys, if you like what you see and you want to see more videos about coops like this and just trying to save money and do the whole farming or homesteading thing, make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon when it pops up. That way you can follow us here on the farm. Make sure you smash the like button if you like it, and if you don't, well, hey, thanks for watching anyway. And yeah, hey, put a comment down there. Talk to me. I love talking to you guys in the comments. There's people from different countries I'm talking to. And I believe I just passed 700 subscribers. So we're working our way up to that powerful 1,000 subscriber mark. And I'm going to start producing more and more videos. So hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and hey, we'll see you next time.